everyone. I'm Maryam Mirzaei. I'm applied researcher at NAIT in the Center of Data Management and Visualizations. And before joining NAIT, I had a lot of experience helping different organizations on AI adoption, and actually it's my passion about AI adoption and a different pathway for AI education. So one of the questions that organizations keep asking us is about what's the biggest barrier, how we can do this AI adoption. And surprisingly, the biggest barrier I see isn't technical, it's readiness. Most companies jump into AI before their data is even ready for it. They have data sitting in silos, collected in different formats, with no clear ownership or governance. So when they try to train a model or even explore AI tools, the results don't really reflect the reality. So I usually see 3 layers of barriers: a data maturity gap, where the foundation isn't there, a capability gap, where teams don't have people who can translate business problems into data problems, and a cultural gap, where there is still a fear of complexity or a lack of collaboration across departments. When organizations fix those fundamentals, when they treat data as an asset instead of a byproduct, AI adoption becomes a lot more natural, and it stops feeling like a leap and start feeling like a next step. So I really believe in what I call the applied co-creation model. Instead of trying to build a full AI department from scratch, companies can start by partnering with applied research centers or innovation hubs, like what we do at NAIT Center for Data Management and Visualization. The idea here is to start small and focused. Pick one high-impact problem that actually matters to you, use the data you already have, and test an AI-powered solution end-to-end. So you don't need a huge infrastructure or complex models. Sometimes off-the-shelf tools or a clear problem statement are enough to create a real value. Once the first pilot works, it builds internal confidence and actually gives leadership something tangible to build on. That's usually how organization moves from experimenting with AI to adopting it strategically. So in a session that I'm gonna have in DAMA conference, I think that the main takeaway is that AI adoption isn't a technical project. It's a maturity journey. A lot of companies think the first step is to hire data scientists or buy fancy tools. But what I want to talk to you about is that in reality, the first step is just to understand your own data landscape, where your data lives, who owns it, and how it connects to your business goal. Once you have that map, AI roadmap starts to write itself. My hope is that people leave the session thinking, okay, now I exactly know where we are and what's realistic for us in next. That shift from AI is overwhelming and I don't know what to do to AI is doable for us. Let's do that. I hope I can see all of you there. Looking forward.